Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the Physics Zoom Assignment 1 for class 9th of dated 11/6/2020. So, in the assignment, the first question they given, draw the graph between constant acceleration and time. The first question they given, draw the graph between constant acceleration and time. So, the constant acceleration means it is not varying with respect to time. So, the graph will be like this. This is the time and this is an acceleration. Okay, the acceleration is not varying with respect to time. That means at every point of time acceleration should be constant. That means it is parallel to time axis. So at t is equal to 1 second the same acceleration, 2 seconds the same acceleration, 3 seconds the same acceleration. At any point of time if the acceleration is the same value, then we can say that it is a constant acceleration. This is what the first question they given. And the second question they given is so what are the materials required to find the acceleration and velocity of an object moving on a inclined track. So on an inclined track we need to find out the acceleration and velocity. So for that, what are the materials required, they are asking. So the materials required is the materials required are one by one, glass marbles. Second one is book. Third one is digital clock. And fourth one is steel plate. And fifth one is long plastic tubes. So these are the materials required to find out the velocity and acceleration on an inclined track. So these two are the 1 mark questions. Okay. Next we'll move on to the 2 mark questions. Yes. The 2 mark questions, they are asking, what do you mean by constant acceleration? So the third question is, what do you mean by constant acceleration? Constant acceleration means, so generally the definition is nothing but acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time taken. Okay. So acceleration definition is, acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time taken. So here the constant acceleration means equal changes in velocities in equal intervals of time. Equal changes in velocities in equal intervals of time. Okay. It is called constant acceleration. Suppose for example here, so I will give a table which gives a clear explanation about this is the time, this is what the velocity of an object. Time at 0 is equal to, this is also 0, and time at 1 second is equal to 2 meter per second. Time at 2 seconds is equal to 4 meter per second. 3 seconds is equal to 6 meter per second. 4 seconds is equal to 8 meter per second. So changes in velocity, once you see Between 1 and 0, that means in 1 second, what is the change in velocity? 2 meter per second, because 2 minus 0, 2 meter per second. Between 2 and 1, second and first second, so this is the time gap is 1 second, and the changes in velocity is 4 minus 2, 2 meter per second only. Here also 6 minus 4, 2 meter per second. 8 minus 6, 2 meter per second. That means equal changes in velocities in equal intervals of time. So we can say that that acceleration is called constant acceleration. Constant acceleration. Okay. So this is what the third question. Next, the fourth question, they given a problem. A car is moving with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. So they given acceleration of a car is 2 meter per second square. They given 2 meter per second square. It is an acceleration. So and it starts from rest. It starts from rest means the initial velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 0 meter per second. And then find the distance traveled by the car in 10th second. So the given the time is 10th second. N is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. That means in 10th second, what is the distance traveled we need to find out. The distance traveled we need to find out in 10th second. The formula is, we know that Sn is equal to U plus A into N minus half, which is equal to, what is U value? 0. A value is 2 into 10 minus half, which is equal to 2 into 20 minus 1, you will get 19 by 2. 2 will cancel, which is equal to 19 meters. So this is the answer for this fourth question. That means the distance traveled in 10 seconds for these conditions is 19 meters. So these two are third question and fourth question. These two are the 2 marks questions. And 4 marks question, the last one is they given a problem. So the given data is here. Okay, a bus is moving with an initial velocity u meter per second. So it is given initial velocity is they are not given. We need to find out initial velocity is u meter per second. U meter per second, right? And then what they given is okay, after applying the brakes, it is moving with a u meter per second constantly. So at one point of time, the brakes are applied to the bus. When the brakes are applied, the retardation is acting on it is retardation. Retardation means negative acceleration. Retardation means negative acceleration. So acceleration means velocities go on increasing. Retardation means velocity go on decreasing. So that retardation, we will write it as A is equal to minus 0.5 meter per second square. Minus 0.5 meter per second square. What this minus represents? Retardation. That means velocities go on decreasing. So that is what the minus represents. Then it stopped after traveling of 12 seconds. So the time taken to stop is they given is 12 seconds. 12 seconds they given. And then what we need to find out is we need to find out the initial velocity, and then what is the distance traveled by the bus before stopping. Okay, so that is what we need to find out. So first one is this thing we need to find out u, and we need to find out s also. Okay then. Now see carefully here. So after stopping a bus, the final velocity. The final velocity, we know that final velocity, because the bus stops. Bus stops means the final velocity v is equal to 0 meter per second. 0 meter per second. First we will find out u value. So here we have when it is any body is moving with a constant acceleration or deceleration. So we have an equation, kinematics equation, v is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u plus at. We know that the final velocity is 0, which is equal to u is we don't know, u plus, so a is they given minus 0.5 and t is they given 12 seconds, which gives so 0 is equal to u minus 12 into 0.5 is nothing but 6, so that we will get u is equal to 6 meter per second. So this is what the first part of the answer for this question. And the second part they are asking is s value. So the distance traveled. So the distance traveled is one more equation of motion is s is equal to, we have s is equal to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square. Already we know that u value is 6. 6 into, what is the time taken to travel, that means to stop the bus? 12 seconds. 6 into 12 plus half into minus 0.5 into 12 square. 12 square. 12 6 are 72 minus half into 144 into 0.5, which is nothing but again 72. 2 ones to 36. So 72 minus 36, which is equal to 36 meters. This is the answer for this question. Okay, so so these are the questions given in the assignment 1. So I hope you understood. Thank you very much.